There's a different kind of happiness that travel gives. Not the kind you can buy, not the kind that stays in photos, but the kind that quietly changes something inside you. You go somewhere you have never been before, a place you didn't even know existed. You walk unfamiliar roads, watch unfamiliar skies, hear languages and stories that are not yours, and somehow, piece by piece, you begin to understand yourself. Because travel is not always about finding new places. Sometimes it is about discovering new parts of who you are. You realize you are braver than you thought. You realize silence can heal. You realize not every beautiful thing needs to be planned. And somewhere between getting lost and finding the way back, you meet a version of yourself that everyday life never introduced. There are mountains that remind you how small your worries are. There are oceans that teach you to let things go. There are roads that show you not all detours are mistakes. And one day, while standing somewhere far from everything familiar, it hits you. You did not travel to escape your life. You traveled to return to it differently, to come home carrying new stories, softer fears, stronger dreams, and a heart that finally remembers how alive it feels. So go. Go to places you never imagined visiting. See what exists beyond your routines. Stand somewhere that makes you feel small and infinite at the same time. Because sometimes the world introduces you to the person you were always meant to become.
May mga daang tahimik ang tawag, hindi para takasan ang mundo, kundi para marinig ang sarili na matagal nang hindi tinutugon. May mga tanong na walang sagot, pero unti-unting lumilinaw. Habang ang bawat hakbang ay may iniiwan, may binabalikan, at sa hangin na walang sinasabi, parang may yakap na dumarating, na hindi kailangang maintindihan para maramdaman. Hindi pala lahat ng lakad ay para makarating. May mga paglalakbay para lang muling marinig ang pusong matagal nang nanahimik, at ang sarili na naiwan sa pagitan ng mga araw. At kung mabagal man ang takbo, hindi ibig sabihin na liligaw. May mga lugar na hindi dinadayo, kundi dumarating para ipaalala na pwede pang bumalik sa sarili. Sa pagitan ng tubig at hangin, may katahimikang hindi mabili. At doon ko nakita na hindi lahat kailangang ayusin. May mga pagod na hindi kalaban, may mga luha na hindi pagkatalo, di ko na malayang pasan. Hindi pala lahat ng lakad ay para makarating. May mga paglalakbay para lang muling marinig ang pusong matagal nang nanahimik at ang sarili na naiwan sa pagitan ng mga awat. Kung bukas ay babalik ang ingay, sana may maiuwi akong katahimikan. Hindi para takasan ang buhay, kundi para mas mahalin ito. Hindi pala lahat ng lakad ay pahanang bulugan, kundi ang sarili mong matagal nang hinihintay. At minsan, ang pinakamalayong biyahe ay pabalik lang pala.